Whether we like it or not, Mammon, the god of money, has silently taken over many churches. It didn't start overnight. It came through adulterated prosperity messages. Little by little, these teachings positioned money above God in the hearts of believers. Today, many people go to church not to serve God, but mainly for financial breakthrough. And sadly, many pastors no longer care whether souls are perishing or not. As long as the offerings, seeds, and tithes keep flowing in, they are satisfied. This is why you see ministers bragging about material wealth with boldness. I saw a man of God bragging to his members that he has bought houses for his sons, that he has established his children, and that they will never have a taste of poverty. I said, this one does not have wisdom at all. You are bragging to your members, forgetting that it is their seeds, offerings, and tithes that you now call your financial breakthrough. No respect for their feelings, because most of those your members can barely afford 3 meals a day. Most of them can barely pay their house rent. They give offerings, seeds, and tithes not because they have enough, but because they acknowledge God. They want to be part of your success in ministry, but you come back to rob your success on their faces. You are making them feel like failures. Most of us in the ministry don't have the wisdom to handle wealth. That's why you see them talking carelessly once money comes.